It's the Weather Xtreme video. It's the morning edition for Wednesday, the 8th of July. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather heating up. The chance of any one spot getting wet will stay small with the good old upper ridge around here. Hey, must be July in Alabama. Take a look at things this morning. The ridge, the dominant feature here across the Deep South. And understand, there's a chance of a shower or storm every day. They'll just be very hard to find. Most of the active weather on the periphery of the heat ridge, west and north of here. Starting off the day in the 70s, Birmingham 79. We'll expect low 90s. We'll probably see mid-90s around here this weekend. Somebody may be with upper 90s by Saturday and Sunday as the heat levels rise. Flash flood watches on the flank of the heat bubble to the west and north from Texas to Indiana, Kentucky, and West Virginia. A couple of marginal risks north and west of here. But really no organized severe weather around much of the nation today, and that's the story tomorrow. And that's the story on day 3, Friday. No organized severe weather really anywhere. And look at that. No rain, not a drop for the next 5 days. Valid through Monday morning. And again, like we talked about, we'll see a few showers around every day. They'll just be very, very few in number. Tropical season very slow in the Atlantic. I think everybody expected that. It's an El Nino year. That's pretty much what you expect. And the other thing you expect is active weather in the western Pacific, and we've got that. That is Typhoon Chan-Ham. And that thing's going to be a threat to China here in about 3 days or so. It'll be passing north of Taipei, coming up toward the China coast about the time the weekend gets here. Should be weakening at that point, but it still could be a formidable system. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock Central Time. You can see that ridge in place here. Upper low is out west near San Francisco. And the weather hot and dry. The NAM today is at 93. The GFS is at 94. Could there be a shower? Yes, but not many. Same thing tomorrow. And the same thing on Friday. Let's say highs 92 to 95 on each day. Any change for the weekend? Not really. Upper ridge, Saturday should be hot, hazy, and muggy, and it's going to be a hot day. The GFS is printing 97. And I'll show you the ensembles here in a minute, but it's actually printing 100. I don't think we hit that because of this good soil moisture, but still, mid-90s are likely, and the same thing on Sunday. So just get set for a good old hot July summer weekend in Alabama with very few showers. Monday of next week still looks mostly dry, maybe a little increase, and then the ridge begins to break down by Tuesday. I think we'll see a clear increase in the number of scattered showers and storms, and highs could drop in the 80s by then. And you can see a week from today, this is Wednesday, July 15th, we've got troughing here, and scattered numerous showers and storms are likely. The GFS Moss is printing 88 on Wednesday, so after a very hot weekend, the heat levels go down, the rain chances go up by the middle of next week. This is the end of the forecast, the end of next week, Friday, July 18th. Heights are coming up again, 594 heat ring a little west of here, and again, that would be pretty typical for mid to late July. Hot, muggy, a few spots getting a shower. And again, these numbers on the top end are too hot here, I think. I don't expect 100 Saturday, but we could do upper 90s in a few spots. And again, I do think by the middle and end of next week, we see highs dropping back in the upper 80s here, as the ensemble numbers on the maximum side have been just too hot in recent months. Temperatures a little above average here. This is July 15th through July 21st, and above average to the north. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.